Lagay natin dito. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Hi Curlies! Meron akong susubukan na bagong routine right now, and ito yung gagayahin ko sa curl influencers from other countries. 4 na products yung gagamitin ko. So first is yung leave-in conditioner. This is from Curls by Zenotrients. Then meron din tayong curling cream from Qatari, and meron din tayo ditong hair mousse from Hair Lab. And yung last is our hair gel from Bench naman. So, ito, praying hand method, try na natin. Number 1 rule, dapat basang-basa yung hair natin. So, gumagamit ako ng continuous mist spray na may lamang water. So, basang-basa na yung curls natin. Ayan, dripping wet siya. Maglalagay naman ako ng curls leave-in conditioner. So, dapat papantayin natin yung paglagay ng ating leave-in conditioner sa both sides of our hair. Dahil itong leave-in conditioner na to, it locks in moisture sa hair natin, which is very important. So, done na tayo sa leave-in conditioner. Next step naman is curling cream. Ayan, so ganito. Kailangan lang din siyang spread out evenly sa both sides ng ating hair. Don't forget that. Lahat ng hair natin is dapat nalalagyan ng curling cream. So, next naman is itong hair mousse. Shin-shake ba to? Para sure, sige, i-shake natin. This is my first time using hair mousse. Lagay natin dito. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Naamoy ko siya. Kailangan daw madami eh. So, i-spread out natin yung hair mousse. My gosh, para siyang ano. Ano ba to? Tama ba ginagawa ko? Okay, so scrunching, napasobra ba? Pero sabi dapat daw madami talagang hair mousse eh. So anyway, gawin ko siya off-cam. Okay, so ganito na itsura ng hair natin after applying yung hair mousse. Maglalagay naman ako ng hair gel. Praying hand method yung ginagawa ko. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. Mukhang okay naman, pero patuyuin natin yung hair ko para makita talaga natin yung itsura ng ating curly hair. And this is what my hair looks like after the routine. Usual effect pagka nag-praying hand method ako. Ganito yung effect pag nag-praying hand method ako. With the products that I've used, parang ang daming steps. Same lang naman yung effect kung gagamit lang ako ng leave-in and hair gel. But yeah, okay. Okay din naman, maganda siya. Pag hinawakan mo, malambot. Walang bakas ng gel cast. Maybe because of the hair mousse kasi nakakalambot talaga siya ng hair. Pero eto na yung hair natin overall. Using the 4 products, leave-in, curling cream, hair mousse, and hair gel. So, pakita natin yung likodan. Okay, so I don't know if I did something wrong dun sa routine kasi first time ko lang naman siyang ginawa. Pero maganda siya. Nag-expect lang ako ng something different. Kasi same lang din naman yung effect niya if nag-praying hand method ako using 2 products. And right now, I used 4 products. So, yun, may verdict. Okay naman siya, maganda naman siya. Kita nyo naman, maganda naman siya. Pero nag-expect lang ako ng something different na mas maganda pa. So, yun lang. And, ayan, kung meron kayong question or baka may comment kayo na mali dun sa ginawa ko, just comment dyan sa ating comment section. Bye!